Hello, I am very delighted to show you my latest altered book journal. So it's another one of these altered book covers, and I've used a fab clip to make a closure. Like before, I've put stickers where the name of the book used to be. So that's that. I think it goes really well with the general design. It's so beautiful. And inside we have a mix of pages. So that's a lovely paper that I used for the end plate. And look, you've got 4 signatures in there, hand sewn in. And I'll flip through. So you've got a mix of designed papers like these ones. And this one is Ecoprinted. This, I've put some craft paper in. More designed paper. Another beautiful eco-dyed. It's a beetle on that one. Rose. More tea stained. I think this is tea stained paper. And then this paper here is a mixed media type of paper for acrylics or mixed media. More designed papers. And then in the middle of each signature I've made a little pocket. And inside the pocket, postcard, which is ready for use for a journaling spot or send it as a postcard. And I've made these pockets out of eco-printed paper. Beautiful rose leaves on that one. So you've got more of the same. You've got a little bird on that one. Now we're on to the next signature. Very similar in that it's got craft paper and papers, eco-printed. It's got an ammonite on that one. And this again is mixed media acrylic paper. And a little pocket. And this one's got another sort of botanical theme postcard. It's in there. Lots of space to make this your own. I didn't want to over decorate it. This would make a lovely gift to somebody who likes to journal, because you can write on these pages, you can art, you can put paint, you can art journal on them too. And of course it's one of a kind. It's the only one that's like this. So I'll keep going. We're on to the third signature now. Mixed media paper and pocket. This one, it's got butterflies. Put it in very carefully. And these papers, beautiful to write on. I'll have to take a photograph. I'll have to show you how you can write on them quite easily. That's a sort of jackdaw, isn't it? Now we're into the fourth and final signature. Please. And this is tea stained. So it's a bit crinkly, which I love myself. Get that open so you can see. And here you've got a little different kind of pocket. I've just put a few bits in there. You can put in whatever you want. And then you've got a bigger pocket here with a postcard. Tea stained. And this is craft. Ecoprinted. Designed. And that's the end. And that's my little sticker. So altogether, a beautiful book. A beautiful journal that's waiting to be filled with your anecdotes, thoughts, poetry, memoirs, all sorts, anything you want. And yeah, I'm hoping that someone's going to love this. And it was a pleasure making it.